Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to move columns in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. Right, so there are three ways to move columns in a Google Sheets spreadsheet, and here are the processes for all of them. So let's see the first one. Let's say you want to move the E and F column in this project management sheet, or the start and end date in this project management table. So what you have to do is select the columns you want to move, and you can select of course multiple columns or just one single column. And then to move the column left and right, what you can do is click on the edit in the top menu bar here, and you're going to see move here. And to move the columns left, select columns left, or to move the column to the right, select columns right. And as you can see, they have been moved to the right here. So the milestone has been here before and now it's here. So the second option is to just select the columns, and you can left click on the selected columns, and if you hold your mouse button down, you're going to be able to move these columns wherever you want. So if we move it back where it was, as you can see, we have successfully moved the columns. And last but not least, the third option to move columns in a Google Sheets spreadsheet is to select the columns, then click on edit here and use the cut options. So you can also use Ctrl+X as a keyboard shortcut. So now we have cut the columns we have selected, and then right click on the column where you want to insert the columns, and right click and select paste. And as you can see, the start and end date columns have been moved here. So now this is how you can move columns in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our complete Google Sheets function database, or our Google Sheets shortcut keys ebook for free, and other Google Sheets resources and Google Sheets templates, then make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Google Sheets, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists, where you have a ton of tutorials, and more Google Sheets tutorials are coming up, so also make sure to subscribe.